Sunny Mascot says hello. Watch the garden grow.
Omar brings the water. Plants grow taller. Zaid plants a seed. That's what plants need. Cat Milo helps with tiny steps. Mom Layla shares, showing she cares.
Dad Hamza brings more seeds to explore. Uncle Kareem rakes for garden's sake.
Grandma Noor smiles, joy for miles.
Grandpa Sami says, sunshine stays.
Water, water, water. Plants grow stronger.
Cat Milo plays in garden rays. Helping hands, love expands.
Plant, 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 side by side. Sunny Mascot shines with happy lines. Rake, 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 tidy we make.
Grandma Noor says, play nice always.
Grandpa Sami cheers, no more fears.
High five, plants come alive. Hug so tight, heart so light.
Good job today.
Thanks, Dad.
Moon character glows, garden knows. Omar says hi to the moon in the sky.
Hi, Moon.
Zaid waves too, the moon shines blue.
Cat Milo rests, garden's best.
Family together, now and forever.